The table below displays results from experiments with polygraph instruments. Find P of the subject lied given that a negative test result was received. So we want to find the probability that a person actually did lie given that the test result was negative. Compare that result with the probability of selecting a subject with a negative test result given that the subject lied. And we want to compare those and see if it's the same probabilities. So this table gives us positive test results in the first row, negative test results in the second row. For the positive test results, you have 20 out of those where the subject did not lie. And you have 40 where the subject actually did lie. For the negative test results, you have 32 who did not lie and 12 who did lie. So the first probability that we want to find is the probability that a subject lied given that the test result was negative. When you simplify probabilities where you have this line here, meaning given that, you need to restrict your sample space in the table to only that row or column that pertains to that value. So here we want to restrict our sample space to negative test results. And negative test results are this second row. So I'm not allowed to even look at the values in the positive test results row at all. Now in that row of negative test results, if I look at the total negative test results, I'm going to total up the numbers in that row. So that's going to be 32 plus 12, and that's 44 total negative test results. So out of that row now, what's the probability that a person lied? Well, in this row, the probability that a person actually lied is the second number where it was yes, they lied, and that's 12 people. So the probability that a person lied, given that when we select it, it's a negative test result, is 12 out of 44. So they want this to be 3 decimal places. So 12 divided by 44 is equal to 0.272727. So to 3 decimal places, that would be 0.273. Now find the probability of selecting a subject with a negative test result given that the subject lied. So I'm going to undo this work that I did here for the first step, and now I want to restrict my sample space to the section where the person lied. And the area where the person lied is the second column. So in that column, I want to total that up and find the total people that lied. So the total people that actually lied is 40 plus 12, or 52 people. So now find the probability that given that the person lied, so that's 52 people, the test result was negative. So in that particular column, the 40 people is in the positive test result row, and 12 people are in the negative test result row. So the probability that we get a negative test result, given that the subject lied, is 12 out of 52. So 12 divided by 52 is 0.230769, and it keeps on going there. If we round that to 3 decimal places, we get 0.231. So are these values equal? The answer would be no, they are not.